In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo on CapCut in just a few easy steps. Whether you want to fit your image into a YouTube thumbnail, make it perfect for shorts, or simply remove parts you don't want in the frame, cropping in CapCut is quick and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and simple editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a project started. Once CapCut loads, you'll want to import the photo that you want to edit. Tap Import, choose the image from your gallery or files, and then drag it down onto the timeline. This is important because the photo has to be on the timeline before you can edit it. After that, click on the photo in the timeline so it becomes selected. You should now see the editing tools available above the preview window. Look for the crop option in the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on it. This opens the cropping controls, where you can adjust exactly what part of the image you want to keep. Now you have two main options. You can manually drag the crop handles around the image to frame the exact area you want, or you can choose a preset aspect ratio if you want your photo to match a specific format. For example, you can select 1:1 for a square post, 9:16 for vertical content, or 16:9 for widescreen layouts. This is really useful if you're making content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform with a specific size requirement. Take your time here and adjust the crop so the main subject stays centered and nothing important gets cut off. Once you're happy with how the photo looks, click Confirm to save the crop. CapCut will apply the changes instantly, and your image will now appear in the new cropped format on your timeline. From there, you can continue editing, add text, music, transitions, or export the finished project when you're ready. And that's how to crop a photo on CapCut quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.